So, hello boys, girls, friends, enemies. How the hell are you? Not on the bike, am I? 2 points for being observant. The bike's gone. Multitude of reasons. I wasn't riding it very often. For various reasons, it's going to need a shed load of money spending on it. And the third reason, I have this long COVID, whereby you've had COVID and you're sort of waiting to recover and something's not right. You just feel lethargic and weak and fed up. And I was actually finding the bike a struggle. So I've taken a few months off. Why not? I'd had the bike just over 2 years, which is a long time for me. I was already starting to look round. I wanted something slightly lighter. Well, alright, let's be honest, a lot lighter. I mean, she was 220 bloody kilograms and full of fuel and a few bits of luggage on, and things like getting it in and out of the garden where I park it were becoming a nightmare. Stop, fill up with fuel. Because of my arthritis in my knees, it's not an excuse, but every so often my left knee wouldn't cooperate. And I would struggle to get it back upright. And it lost its appeal, lost its amusement. Riding, brilliant bike, loved every minute, would love to be on it now. It's the stopping, the getting on, getting off, manoeuvring it about. So I thought, well, winter's coming, bike prices drop, sell it now while the weather's good, or about 4 weeks ago now. Get a little banger. Got a little Ford Focus, a couple £100, just to run about in. It isn't serious. Give me time to decide what bike I want, if indeed I want to go back to bike. I'm 68 this year. Is it about time I give myself a bit of comfort? I don't know. A lot of decisions, nothing decided. I'd love something like the 790, but unless I win the lottery, no way in my lifetime. Maybe the T7. Again, too bloody expensive for my budget. As most of my friends know, I'm on a pension and I balance my finances. And I don't want to put myself at risk by buying something that it's tight to afford.
After 300 yards,
oh, shut up. See, I'm always being bossed about by women. That is my life. I'm not.
Turn right, lower road.
Because there aren't any around anymore. Yeah, that's it really. Just a very, very short update. I mean, I feel, for those who are interested, I feel fine. I just don't have the energy anymore. seem to have lost a lot of strength. Lungs have more or less recovered. Arthritis seems a touch worse, but it's the energy levels and the lethargy. It's a killer. Yeah, so car for a few months, unless of course I see something exciting. I'm a beast of impulse. If I happen to be driving past somewhere or looking at something or on the internet and I see something I really fancy, I'll jump in both feet. That's me. So watch this space, and I am watching you all. You keep riding, you keep having fun. You know the rules. Stay safe, stay happy, piss off the miserable buggers.
After 300 yards, turn right, Lower Road.
I'll catch you later. Bye.
La vida breve. That was fairly breve itself. Breve was dolce. That was Manuel de Falla's Spanish dance number one. A beautiful by Gabriela Montero, and before that, the first movement.
Turn right, Lower Road.
Number 6. That was Charles McKerris directing the Scottish Chamber Orchestra. This is Alexander Armstrong. What a lovely Monday morning I'm having with you here on Classic FM. I hope you're in good spirits. Now, whether Monday's being a walk